Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Lightsail instances for WordPress with HTTPS, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your AWS account. Navigate to the AWS Lightsail console. Click on Create Instance. Select your preferred instance location. Choose the WordPress blueprint from the list of applications. Select your instance plan based on your resource needs. Configure the instance name and any additional settings. Click on Create Instance to launch your WordPress server. Once the instance is running, note the public IP address. Open a web browser and enter the IP address to access your WordPress site. Log into your WordPress admin panel using the default credentials. Next, connect to your Lightsail instance via SSH. You can use the built-in browser-based SSH client. Run the command to update your package lists. Install the certbot package for obtaining SSL certificates. Now, stop the Apache server to prepare for the certificate installation. Then, use certbot to obtain an SSL certificate. Follow the prompts provided by certbot for your domain. Once the certificate is issued, restart the Apache server. Now, configure your WordPress settings to use HTTPS. Update the WordPress address and site address in Settings. You can access this through the WordPress admin panel. Implement a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS in your .access file. Test your site by navigating to the HTTPS version of your URL. Ensure all content is loading securely without mixed content warnings. Finally, regularly monitor your SSL certificate expiration date. Consider setting up automated renewal for your SSL certificates. Your WordPress site is now fully configured with HTTPS on AWS Lightsail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.